Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a Google Chrome extension which allows you to test your website on mobile simulator. It's a responsive testing tool, kind of a developer friendly extension. So if you have made an application specifically for mobile devices, you can directly test it out inside your Google Chrome browser. So this is the extension Mobile Simulator Responsive Testing Tool. It's got almost 1 million installs. So directly a mobile phone will appear. You can test it out your website on mobile phone. So click on Add to Chrome. Just add this extension, and once it is installed, it will appear directly in the sidebar section. So just wait, it is installing it. So now as you see, it is successfully installed. So it will appear like this. Let me just activate this. So now guys, as you see, the icon is appearing right here. So if you go to a website, let me go to google.com and simply activate this. So now as you see, it will appear on a mobile device. Directly you will see how the website looks on mobile phone. So now as you see, you can simply ask, you can search as if you are on a mobile phone, but we are inside the Google Chrome browser. Directly it comes and it shows your website directly how it appears in mobile browser. So we have this, you can change the device. So we have all the devices. You can Samsung Galaxy, Xiaomi, Google Pixel, OnePlus, Galaxy. So you can test out any model. Let me use Galaxy, and right here in the search bar, so you can see that how easy it is. So you can actually open any website. So you can see that. So I basically use this website a lot because I build websites. I'm a website developer. So it's actually saves me a lot of time. I don't need to open a mobile phone. Rather than, we can install this extension, which actually does the job for us. Mobile simulator. It's got 1 million installs. So you can actually open any website. Just go to the website and just toggle this extension. Just click on this icon, and then automatically this will open the website in the mobile phone. So you can see how the actual website looks on the mobile phone. So it's very easy to, it's very fast as well. It doesn't take too much time, and it actually shows you the website on mobile phone. So you can even change the model. Let's suppose Google Pixel you are using. You can actually, all the mobile devices are there, Android phones. You also have Apple as well. If you are using Apple, you can test it on iPhone. So as you see, different mobile devices are there. So this is actually on Apple, how the device looks like. We also have tablet, iPad, Galaxy Tab. Let me just open this. So it's a very useful Chrome extension, guys, if you are a developer or if you kind of a normal user as well. So you, if you want to use the website on a mobile phone, you can easily do this. So you can see that. We also have Apple Watch. You can even see the website on Apple Watch as well. So you can just see right here. It's a very popular extension. iPad, you can see iPhone, then we can see it on, you can see that it's fully compatible my website. So you can cross check. You can see that on each and every device we have actually opened the website. So this extension is totally free. It doesn't cost you any money or subscription. It is totally free and unlimited. And you can see that MacBook. So some are pro level, because as you see, some are pro level. So for that you need to upgrade. But most of the devices are totally free. So you can try on different devices. It's a mobile simulator which opens your website directly. So thank you very much for watching this video. Definitely install this mobile simulator responsive testing tool. 1 million installs this is. So definitely install this extension.